A great kitchen upgrade starts with versatility and efficiency. The best air fryer toaster oven delivers crisp textures, even heating, and multifunction convenience in one compact design. This guide highlights top picks that elevate cooking speed, flavor, and everyday usability. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Nuwave Bravo XL Pro Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The Nuwave Bravo XL Pro Air Fryer Toaster Oven stands out as a high-performance countertop solution designed for cooks who want speed, precision, and maximum control over every dish. One of its biggest strengths is the upgraded fan and housing system that delivers up to 100% faster airflow, ensuring quicker cooking with crispier, golden brown finishes that rival deep-fried textures without the excess oil. This enhanced circulation efficiency works especially well when air frying large batches, roasting vegetables, or reheating leftovers to near fresh quality. A standout feature is its fully customizable heater control, allowing you to adjust top and bottom heating elements from 0 to 100% independently. This level of finesse lets you tailor heat zones to match the food. Whether you're baking a thick homemade pizza, crisping the crust with 70% bottom heat, or melting cheese gently with 30% top heat. With 112 presets, including 12 cooking functions and 100 one-touch recipes, the oven eliminates guesswork and makes it easy for beginners to cook like seasoned chefs. It handles air frying, roasting, baking, grilling, dehydrating, toasting, and even slow cooking with seamless accuracy. Number 2. The Typhur Sync 27 QT Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The Typhur Sync 27 QT Air Fryer Toaster Oven is engineered for home cooks who value accuracy, convenience, and advanced smart cooking features in one powerful machine. Its biggest differentiator is the world's first wireless probe, a feature typically found only in premium professional equipment. This probe monitors internal temperatures in real time, maintaining plus or minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit precision, and automatically stopping the cook as soon as the food reaches the selected doneness. This eliminates the fear of overcooking, and the Smart Remove Temp Auto Shutoff ensures consistently perfect steaks, roasts, poultry, and fish. The Typhur app adds another layer of convenience, allowing users to track cook time, monitor internal temperatures, and manage settings remotely. Its 360-degree turbo convection system circulates heat at high speed with dual heating elements and a 2400 RPM fan, delivering faster and more even crisping than traditional ovens. Foods like fries, wings, vegetables, and pastries come out golden outside and perfectly tender inside, with minimal oil. Its 12-in-1 versatility includes roasting, baking, broiling, dehydrating, toasting, proofing, reheating, and more, with a wide temperature range from 85 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 3. Ninja DCT 601 Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The Ninja DCT 601 Air Fryer Toaster Oven is tailored for busy households that want to cook efficiently without sacrificing variety of flavor. Its standout feature is the dual zone technology paired with Smart Finish, allowing both independent ovens to cook different meals at different temperatures, yet finish at the same time. This eliminates the need for back-to-back cooking sessions and makes family dinners significantly quicker. Flavor Seal technology ensures aromas and flavors stay contained within each oven, preventing the mixing of scents when preparing different dishes simultaneously, ideal for sensitive foods like pastries or fish. The innovative Flex Store design allows you to access either the top oven for quick snacks or open the full door to use both ovens at once, maximizing flexibility for different meal schedules. With 12 cooking programs, including air fry, bake, broil, toast, bagel, pizza, whole roast, and dehydrate, the appliance offers excellent versatility for everyday cooking. The large capacity fits up to 6 pounds of wings, a 4.5-pound chicken, 6 salmon fillets, or 6 slices of bread, making it a perfect fit for families that love batch cooking. Number 4. The Ninja DT501 Air Fryer Toaster Oven is designed for high-volume cooking with powerful convection capabilities, suited for families, entertainers, or meal prep enthusiasts. Its smart surround convection system uses a high-velocity fan and strategically positioned rear heat source to circulate hot air uniformly around food, ensuring all-around crisping without the need for rotating, flipping, or shaking. This technology creates evenly browned chicken, cookies, vegetables, and pastries with minimal effort. The spacious interior supports two cooking levels simultaneously, allowing you to prepare multiple dishes at once while maintaining consistent results. With 10 cooking functions, air fry, air roast, broil, bake, whole roast, pizza, toast, bagel, reheat, and dehydrate, the DT501 performs the role of multiple appliances in one. Its XL capacity easily fits two 9x9 pans, up to 20 cookies, 9 slices of toast, or even a full 12-pound turkey. This makes it a highly capable alternative to using a full-size oven for everyday meals. Number 5. Hamilton 12-inch Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The Hamilton 12-inch air fryer toaster oven delivers an efficient, budget-friendly cooking experience with features designed for ease of use and dependable results. It includes a 30-minute timer with a ready bell and a stay-on function for extended cook times, ensuring dishes like casseroles or roasts can continue without interruption. The automatic shutoff adds reassurance for busy kitchens. Its Sure Crisp convection technology is a highlight, delivering evenly browned, crisp textures with little to no oil, ideal for fries, wings, vegetables, and everyday snacks. The easy reach oven door design improves convenience by providing direct, unobstructed access to food, reducing the chances of burns and making loading and unloading trays far more comfortable. The oven offers generous space, accommodating 6 slices of toast, a 12-inch pizza, or a 9x11 baking pan, making it versatile enough for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. 2 rack positions allow better control over browning and cooking intensity, depending on the dish. With 4 straightforward functions, toast, bake, broil, and air fry, and 1400 watts of consistent power, it performs reliably without overcomplicating the experience.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.